Hi, I'm Bobby Giles. I'm excited to talk about Promotion Commotion Bingo today. It's a fun program to help you along the way as promoting to team leader. And now is the most exciting time to do it as our fall season is just starting, and so it's timed perfectly. I'm excited to see what all you accomplish and how I can help you. And with this Promotion Commotion steps, it just will be a fun way to help you succeed in the goal of promoting to team leader. It was fun to read in the newsletter. Randall said that 71 team leaders promoted in September, and with it just starting to be our fall season, I know a lot are going to be doing it in the next 2 months. And the neat thing about promoting to team leader is it only takes 2 months, so you can start now to make it your goal, and you'll be there in 2 months. I'm excited to cheer you along the way. Don't worry about asking me questions, or if you need help, that's what I'm here for. So let's hear all the commotion we can for this team leader challenge, and I'm excited to see who all does it and all the bingos and hopefully mostly all the blackouts we get. Yay!